hanger or a hanger organizer. I did buy this offline off Amazon. I got it within 2 days shipping because I am a Prime member. So as you can see, I opened the box just to make sure all of the parts are still there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything. Let's go ahead and get to assembling this. I'm gonna go ahead and open the pack here and take out the Allen wrench and 2 of the screws. Then I'm gonna take the longer of the 2 pieces. The directions say to line it up here. And we're gonna place the screws in. I originally saw this as one of those Amazon suggestion things. When you're on Amazon on your account and you're shopping or looking for stuff that you might need, they always have these like nifty, hey, you may be interested in this or based on your searches, you might be interested in this. So I've been buying a lot of organizational things off Amazon here lately, just to help organize my house and my toy collection and all that other kind of stuff. So when this popped up, I was like, what is a hanger? So or a hanger organizer. So when I pulled this up, I looked at it and it actually got like really good reviews. So I was like, let me go ahead and try that, because my closet, let me tell you, my closet needs help. Because nobody sees it but me, usually stuff just gets thrown in there, and then like on laundry day, as I'm collecting up clothes and everything and washing them, then they'll get hung back up. But if you're a girl, you can have a whole closet of stuff and nothing to wear, or one day it doesn't look right and the next day it does, or nothing looks right, and they all end up at the bottom of your closet. All of your clothes end up at the bottom of your closet and you end up just having a bad day. So the joys of being a woman. Okay, so I am almost done here, and I'm debating on whether I want to stick this in my closet or in my laundry room, but we'll see how that goes. If you guys are hearing any snorting, I do have a French bulldog, and she is right up underneath me being nosy. Okay, so we'll just tighten this one down here. Alrighty, let's see if it'll fall over. Let me try to, it is on my table here. I don't think it's gonna, there's no balance issues. It's not gonna, really tip forward or tip back. Let me pause the video and I'll stick it on the ground so you can actually get an idea of how tall it is. Alright guys, here it is in the hallway, and as you can see, it is about 32 inches high. And it can hold, I believe they say like over 50 hangers, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please show your support and subscribe. If you enjoyed my video today, please give it a thumbs up. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.